Is that in frame? Let's check these out. Is that the way people clap? I don't know how to use my hands. It's a new concept to me. Hey, what's going on? Don't answer that because you can't answer that, but if you really want to, that's cool too. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for checking this video out. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now, and below that is my website, sbmitch.com. Real simple. It's where you can find all the shoes that I pull out of beater boxes for sale right now. Hey, pals! Before we get started, why do people watch me? I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of this video, Reshoevn8r. We're going to be taking a look at all three brushes in the Reshoevn8r 3-brush cleaning system thing. Today we're going to start off cleaning an Air Jordan 6 with the stiff brush. So you can see the stiff brush cleans up pretty nicely, and it also kind of, I don't want to say it de-yellows the iciness of the soles, but it definitely helps make them look better. So if you want to go ahead, use my code until the end of this month, SBMitch10. It'll save you 10% off of your order from Reshoevn8r.com. And keep in mind, they do free shipping and they also have free returns. So pretty awesome. Now that that's out of the way, let's take a closer look at this here shoe. The Nike SB Dunk High Pro Spectrum. Now the purpose of these videos aren't to really like review the sneaker because I don't really do reviews. I just like to show you closer looks, like detailed looks of what's going on in here. So I can't really tell you about performance, but I can show you what they look like. So here you go. Definitely an Easter themed shoe. I personally am not a huge fan of them. I don't really like all suede uppers. I mean, it's an okay shoe. I'm not really huge on highs. Meh. Probably not keeping these because I'm just not a huge fan of them. Retail on these was 110 USD. They do fit, in my experience, true to size. With dunk lows, you usually have to go up a half size. With dunk highs, you're pretty okay going true to size. So this shoe is, I don't even know if it's really available anywhere. It's been restocking every once in a while on certain places, but these definitely released in the EU a lot sooner than they did in the US. So check your local skate shop maybe. I don't really know. I don't know of any places that have them in stock still. Resale on these isn't too crazy high, so if you're really into them, they're kind of affordable right now. So if this is something you're interested in, go for it, I guess. I'm not really huge on the colorway because it looks too much like something you'd seen in Easter basket, but there you go. the Nike SB Dunk High Pro in the Spectrum colorway. It's okay, not really my favorite. Hey, thanks again to Reshoevn8r for sponsoring this video. Remember to use my code SBMitch10 at reshoevn8r.com to save 10% off of your entire order throughout this month. And the next video we do is going to be a demonstration of the medium bristle brush. So we're going to be cleaning one shoe over the span of 3 videos with all 3 brushes. So that's pretty cool. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I have tons of other shoes to review and tons of beater boxes and a whole bunch of other stuff. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks again. Enjoy quarantine. Cover your mouth, wash your hands, all that good stuff. Till next time, take care of each other and make it fun, because shoes are supposed to be fun. Bye!